Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a summer makeup tutorial kind of focusing on the skin. And before I get any further into the video, yes, I'm wearing a shirt. It's just like a little off the shoulder thing. It's actually really cute. It's gonna be one of my shirts for Country Music Fest, if anyone cares. So basically, when I do makeup tutorials, I feel like I've really been focusing on the eyes and kind of like neglecting the lip color and focusing on the skin a little bit more. Like it's always really focused on the eyes. So today I wanted to do like a really glowy skin, faux freckle, like no foundation makeup look. And also focusing on the lip, I kind of wanted it to be like very pinky lip, something just, you know, summertime-ish, I guess. I don't really know what I'm trying to say. I was also gonna put on some fake tan for this video, but I didn't have time last night. So yeah, enough rambling. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Also, before I get started on my makeup, I just want to mention my brows are microbladed. If you haven't seen my microblading video, I show you the whole process and stuff like that. And I'm currently working on a part 2 showing the whole healing process. So yeah, I didn't put product in my eyebrows. They are microbladed. So this month, I don't want to jinx it, but I'm gonna say it for the sake of the video. This month, my skin has been acting really nicely, and I think it's because I have not been wearing much makeup on my face. I've been really avoiding foundation. Like, I used to wear foundation every day, but lately I've just been kind of letting my skin breathe. I've been really moisturizing it, really letting it do its own thing. I've been really trying not to pick at my skin. Sometimes I'll pick at my blackheads and stuff, but like if I have a pimple, I won't pick at it, I guess. So it's been reacting really well. My skin looks really good, which is also another reason why I wanted to do this video. So I'm first gonna be priming my skin, and I'm gonna be using a couple of Farsali products. I know a couple people mentioned on my last Instagram video post that they're kind of tired of seeing Farsali products in my Instagram videos. If you guys don't know, I've been promoting Farsali for a really long time, pretty much probably a year into my Instagram career, I guess. I've been doing ads for Farsali. Like, I do them twice a month, and it's not just for the money. Like, I wouldn't do this with a brand if I actually didn't like a product. Like, I literally use the Unicorn Essence Primer every day for a primer. I go back between the Too Faced Hangover Primer and the Farsali Unicorn Essence Primer. It is legit one of my favorite primers, and I've talked about it a lot. So I just kind of want to make that clear. I don't want people to think that I'm constantly promoting it just for the money. The money's nice, don't get me wrong, but I love supporting Farsali, and I love their products. So yeah, just wanted to kind of make a little disclaimer so people aren't like, oh my god, I'm so freaking tired of seeing this. Like, does she even like these products? So speaking of that, I'm going to be using the Farsali Unicorn Essence Primer Drops as a primer today. I just like this because it is an oil-free primer, but it's meant for moisturizing. So I think it would be good for those of you with like dry skin or combination skin. I don't know if it would be good for you guys with really oily skin, just because it is a moisturizing primer. But if you want to try it out, it doesn't have oil in it, just so you guys know. And then I'm also going to be using the Farsali Jelly Beam in Glazed Donut. And I'm gonna be kind of mixing those two primers together and using them on my face and also my chest. It gives a really nice glowy summery look. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and put that in the palm of my hand, and also gonna be dropping the Unicorn primer in my hand, and I'm just going to mix that all together, put a little bit on my face and bring it down to my chest. Alright, and then to start concealing, I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Fair Neutral. And I'm going to be using this very sparingly. I don't want to cover up much. Just kind of want to get my dark circles and any blemishes that I have. I'm also trying out a stud again. I don't know how I feel about it because if you guys have nose rings, you know that studs are kind of like, I don't know, they're annoying to wear because there's like, here, I'll push it out. There's like a part, I'm so sorry, that's so gross. There's a part that like loops up so that the piercing doesn't just like fall out, and it's really annoying. It kind of feels like a booger is stuck up there, which is why I like to wear hoops, but I don't know, I like the look of studs, so maybe I'll just try to get used to it. All right, and then I'm gonna add some bronzers. I'm gonna be sticking with Creme products today. Maybe I'll add a little bit of powder under my eyes once I'm done, but I really wanna look dewy today, so for bronzer, can you guys guess what product I'm gonna be using? Yes, it is the NYX Wonder Stick in Universal 04. I'm just gonna take the contour side and add a little bit of color to my face. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more of that Farsali Jelly Beam just to the high points of my face. Okay, and before we add any powder, I'm gonna be taking a brow pencil. Just any brow pencil works as long as the color is either taupe or light brown. I'm gonna do light brown today just because it was the first pencil that I picked up. So basically all I do for faux freckles is I just lightly tap the pencil all around the area where essentially I already have freckles, and then I bring them out just a little bit to my cheeks. I don't go crazy. I just very lightly tap the pencil, and you don't want them to be perfectly symmetrical because normal freckles are not perfectly symmetrical. And then once you put a little bit on your face, I like to tap them out as I go along. Okay, so that's usually as far as I'll go when I do fake freckles. I don't like to go overboard, or else you can just kind of tell that they look fake. You really want to make them look subtle and different colors, different dimensions, different shapes and sizes and stuff. Like, freckles are just really hard to recreate because they're so unique and so different. And when people make them really symmetrical and really like dark, they don't look real. So if you are one of those people that like to do fake freckles, just kind of go light with it. I mean, unless you like the look of the dark freckles, you do whatever you want to do. Okay, so I'm just gonna tap out the creases underneath my eyes and on my lids. And I'm gonna take a little bit of pressed powder. This is the Jane Cosmetics translucent powder, and just a little fluffy brush. This one is from Furless Cosmetics. I'm just going to lightly set underneath my eyes and on my eyelids. A little bit around my nose and my smile lines. Okay, now for the eyes, they're gonna be really subtle. I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes first. And this is gonna be really easy, I promise. I'm just taking the Tarte Chrome Paint Pot, and this is in the color Top Yacht. It basically just matches the highlight on my face. I'm gonna take a little bit on my finger and just put that right on my lid, kind of blending it up and out, a little bit into my crease. I just want everything to look very highlighted, very glowy. Also bringing that into my inner corner and my brow bone. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara. I'm using the Les Films Noir mascara by Nabla Cosmetics. Then I'm gonna add some half lashes to my eyes. These are the Iris Beauty Empress lashes, so I'm just gonna cut them in half and put them on the outer half of my lashes. Okay, you guys don't have to wear lashes if you don't want to. I just felt like it needed a little extra vavoom because the eyes are so simple. But now we're gonna finish this look off with the lips. So today I'm using the Nabla Cosmetics Velvetine Lip Liner in Closer. One of my favorite colors for lip liner, it's so pretty. Then I'm gonna be trying out the Marc Jacobs lipstick in Sonic Truth. Okay everyone, that is it for this tutorial. I just really love how this looks. Something that emphasizes on the skin rather than the eyes, and also the lips a little bit. I thought that this color was going to be a little bit darker, but I ended up really liking it. I know it's still kind of like a boring lip color. Some people really want me to like use some darker lip colors, but I'm just not feeling it with like the warmer weather. I don't really want to wear like dark lipstick. I always want to wear like pinky and nudes, and you know what I mean? But I just love how healthy and glowy my skin looks. I've been doing this whole like priming, highlighting thing for a while now when I want my skin to just look really highlighted and really glowy. I haven't done faux freckles in a long time though. I feel like they didn't really show up that much in this video. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Sorry if you thought it was boring, but yeah, that's it, I guess. Okay, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.